This is Koert from Car Fantasy. Today we are talking about the Rally 8 wheels. This model is the B12. We have the B12 in two colors, in the silver color and the black one with the front polished. The different sizes which are available is 18 inch and 19 inch. 18 inch 8.5 yay at the front and 9.5 at the back. In 19 inch we have 8.5 and 10 at the back. It's a concave wheel, as you can see. The 8.5 is this one, and this has a little bit concave, not too much. You can see it when you look like this, just a little bit concave, but at the front it's very nice. Or if your car is very low with the air suspension or the coilover. And the 9.5 is just more concave, very deep, 9.5 by 18. And you can mention the 10 by 19 would be just a little bit more concave than this one. The paint of this black one is very nice. It has a little bit metallic inside. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but maybe you can come a little bit closer. So here you can see it's a little bit metallic. Really nice. It's a very high class wheel, especially for VEG and BMW, so 500, 520 and 512. If you like this wheel, you can check our website carfantasy.nl. We ship worldwide, so